So, uh, today's tour is for the hostel, and the hostel is the Ashoka Hostel, is the biggest hostel in the whole university. Is proper around 400 wise capacity hostel. All right. So the time is for raining. The rainy season is on the flow, and one can see here the beautiful uh, scenery. You can see the nature, and you can see the rain. छोटी छोटी बूंदें गिर रही हैं, and I just feel now, right? Great. And if you want to see in the ground, this is the ground. This is the whole hostel. The hostel is so big. I live I live one of the room here. There's a stairs for going above, and you want to know the room. This is my room 116 here. Okay, so entering into my room. Do you know this is the bloody room? I live here. I don't know what is the map for, but I see it daily. I don't understand what the countries are there, but I will learn. I know. Yeah, क्या करें, करना पड़ता है. So this is my bookshelf. This is another bookshelf. छोटी मोटी चीज़ें. Favorites are mirror and my छोटी सी cat. Okay, it's enough for now. Right there. I want to go outside, but can't because if I go outside, I don't have an umbrella. I will get drenched. I don't want to do. Okay, let's do something crazy. What do I do? I don't stand. I should do something else, but I can find now. So getting bored here. So getting bored here. Okay, this is another area, playground. छोटे छोटा बच्चा यहाँ पर खेला करते हैं. I don't play with them because I don't have time for them. Okay, so I think enough for now. I will show you many different type of things over here, but for now, best of luck. Oh, sorry. Um, what what to be said? I don't know, but okay, bye.